At South Carolina Federal Credit Union, we work hard to keep your data safe, but there are steps you can take to protect yourself, too. Essie's here to show you how to use the THINK method to avoid fraud and scams. T. Take note if there's a sense of urgency. It's a common tactic used by scammers. H. Hesitate before responding. Carefully consider each request before taking action. I. Investigate every aspect of every message. Examine URLs, senders, spelling, grammar, and attachments. N. Never give out your two-factor authentication code, online banking password, or PIN. K. Know who you are speaking to. If you aren't completely sure, end the conversation and contact the company directly. Next time you receive a suspicious message, think before taking action. Examine information carefully and partner with South Carolina Federal Credit Union to protect your data.